Hi, my name is Joyce, and today I will tell you everything you need to know about Puravive Supplement before actually purchasing the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Puravive Supplement is, be careful with the website you will buy Puravive Supplement, because Puravive Supplement is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is Puravive Supplement, and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Puravive Supplement works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is an exotic Hollywood secret for health weight loss. Puravive is unlike anything you've tried or experienced in your life before. Enjoy a healthy and lasting weight loss Puravive and its 8 powerful tropical nutrients and plants supported by clinical research. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Puravive Supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Puravive for 180 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Puravive Supplement to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. Take a capsule of Puravive Supplement with a large glass of water every day, or else you will not see great results, and you will actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know that Puravive Supplement has no side effects as it is natural. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy Puravive Supplement, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that Puravive Supplement really helps a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes.